guys, and welcome to the Ubud vlog. I'm so excited to be here. As you can see, this is in our hostel. We just got here this afternoon from Samyak, but I'm about to go and get a free massage because it comes included in our hostel. Free massages, free pedicures, free breakfast. So yes, I'm about to go get a massage, which is sorely needed because my back is so sore. Oh, wow guys, that was such a good massage. My back needed that. I actually feel fried. She was so good. My back was clicking and popping, and she was like focusing on all the knots in my shoulders from like carrying a bag around and like all the tension in my lower back from like riding around on like motorbikes and things. But oh my god, and it was free. That was insane. It's like it was like my main part of that. Can you hold me a breath? So guys, just finished yoga. That was intense. That was like Pilates. Felt good though.
Online, like you have to do an entry form, but it's like free.
Hi guys, so me and Leah are now venturing out of the hostel. Honestly, that hostel is so gorgeous.
It's so pretty. Free breakfast, free yoga.
We got puppy yoga this afternoon.
That's at 2 o'clock.
We're just currently going for a walk. I want to find some trousers, kind of like the one Leah's wearing, some linen pants.
Nice slowy ones.
Yeah. What else are we gonna do?
That's kind of it today. Oh, trivia night tonight.
Oh, we've got trivia night tonight, which will be fun. We're just walking around having an explore. Oh, we've booked in for a big day trip tomorrow.
We're going to school.
Yeah, it's really weird. Like, part of the trip is to go to a local school. You're like, can we just not do that?
They're like, no, you have to. Like,
that's weird. Like, why are we going to a school? Like, what is the purpose of that? But it literally had everything else. Remember, they had the beach club we wanted to do. They had the waterfall, the rice terraces, the coffee plantation. So we're like, worst case, we'll just sit on the bus for like...
We'll just sit there and not go to school.
Exactly.
Take a stand.
Exactly. It's weird. Oh, also, it's so funny. So the girls we met in our hostel last night, we all went out for dinner with, they were in the same club that we were on Halloween.
In Sydney. And they live 5 minutes from where I was staying. And
we met in the hostel yesterday, and then we're all sat talking about Halloween. And we were like, oh yeah, we were here, we were doing this. And they were like, we were there too. We were like, wait, what?
Like, in Sydney? They're like, yeah. I was like, oh, we were there.
So funny. Like, what are the odds? The world really is small, even when you get out there.
It's very small.
Guys, this cookie is insane. Look at that. We got a red velvet one. So guys, we've come to a temple, the Ubud Palace.
Ubud Palace.
It's so pretty.
It's really nice here.
Yeah. Okay. How old are them?
对，还没成年，差不多8个月才成年。So guys, we've come out for dinner and more tacos.
More tacos because we're fat.
We actually have just been eating Mexican food this whole time.
Maybe we should go to Mexico. Next vlog in Mexico.
See you there, guys. But we got a trivia night at the hostel tonight.
We don't know anything really about trivia, but this other guy at the hostel said that it's like music and then
we do music and
stuff about Bali.
We might struggle. And then general knowledge. And then, oh no, then it was true or false.
True or false.
We could do that. But yeah.
Other than that, no.
Stay
we'll
tuned.
keep you updated.
Oh, that's a good pina colada.
Yeah, because
I would have said the other thing.
no, but that looks more fun than like a.
Good morning, guys. We're on our full-day excursion today. We've just arrived at Coffee Plantation, I believe.
I think this is the coffee one. I don't really
Yeah,
know.
but
She just said, I'm your guide.
I just want to drink coffee and try lots of different coffee. But we've also got... Oh, what is going on with my jacket? We're going to a waterfall.
And then they come to fruit like steak. And after this we try. This the poop come out like this, the whole bean. Because the luar, they just swallow the bean, they're not chewing the bean. Come out is a still whole good shit from Bali.
Good shit from Bali.
You can come in here.
It's being so cute.
Wait, there was some weird problem. Like, what happened?
Guys, we made it to the coffee tasting. I'm so excited.
I've done Canada, the Wisconsin.
What should I start with?
Canada border.
I want to start with avocado because I've been wanting to try that one for so long.
Oh, well, that's obviously going to be much worse.
And the buffalo.
In here, do you want fried
Those are two really big ones.
I live like 20 minutes from Bradford.
It's
really sweet.
For 1 year, and then went to Seattle. It was not too
This is coconut.
excuse me,
I
do you
lived
want
in
fried coffee?
Ontario.
Coffee? Do you want to try what coffee?
Yeah, I want to try one.
You with the...
Yeah, we're going to share just one cup. Yeah.
You want?
Guys, I'm about to try shit coffee.
But my grandparents basically rubbish.
It smells really strong. It does. Like coffee.
Yeah. My granddad was born in India.
It's also very hot.
Yeah?
colonizers.
Do I have?
It kind of just tastes like coffee.
No.
No, like shit.
My
No,
mother
it doesn't
was-
taste
no,
like shit.
She was very good. She refused to let me see.
Guys, it's chucking it down, so we've all come out in our swimmies because we don't want to get our clothes wet. We're going to the waterfall.
Oh my lord.
Make sure everyone's just in their bikinis. Let's go. I've definitely got footballs. Frozen nipples. Frozen nipples. Oh, there it is. Guys, we've all just been in the waterfall and it's absolutely chucking it down, but it was good fun.
That's my language. Massive. 7 centimeters? No.
Guys, so the people we met on our day tours today have booked a villa and we're going for a little party, but we actually don't know where we're going.
We put a dress in for the grab drivers and they just like did not take us there.
Oh, it's got to be one of
it
these.
looks like this. Right. Yeah.
We'll update you. Guys, we made it into the villa and it's absolutely stunning. Like, you guys want to be in my vlog? This is my YouTube.
YouTube famous! You want to taste?
How old did you say you were? 22.